Industrial automation has revolutionized the landscape of manufacturing, boosting competitiveness by ensuring top-notch production quality while optimizing costs. However, amidst this efficiency lies a significant challenge: the acquisition and standardization of essential data to further enhance operations. When it comes to establishing a new facility greenfield, the process is relatively straightforward. However, integrating data into existing operations, brownfield, presents a complex task, necessitating the adoption of a unified namespace, UNS, for data unification. This involves converting diverse data formats into standardized protocols such as OPC or MQTT, a crucial step facilitated by tools like EMQX and HiveMQ. These tools streamline the conversion process, enabling seamless integration with MQTT brokers for smooth sensor-to-historian data flow. Key players in this arena include Canarylabs, offering a robust data collector equipped with fast, high-compression storage capabilities. This ensures efficient data handling and retrieval, crucial for real-time decision-making. Additionally, Axiom steps in to assist process engineers in maximizing data utilization through real-time calculations and customizable dashboards, empowering them to derive actionable insights from the influx of data. Further enhancing the capabilities of industrial data analytics is Flow software, which extends beyond descriptive and diagnostic purposes. It offers powerful predictive and prescriptive analytics tools, paving the way for proactive decision-making and problem-solving. The applications of these technologies extend far beyond traditional industries. In sectors like AI, robotics, and even motorsports, real-time data analysis plays a pivotal role in informing critical decisions. Whether it's optimizing manufacturing processes or fine-tuning race car performance, the possibilities for industry data analytics are vast and diverse. They have the potential to revolutionize operations across various sectors, driving efficiency, innovation, and competitiveness. Matrix Invent provides a secure, filtered, and monetizable end-to-end connection for Industry 4.0 to help our clients improve their business via automation, security, and custom-fit Internet of Things (IoT) solutions.